Hello students, as you know that Alternative Academic Calendar Part 2 has been published. Today in this video, I am going to tell you the content of week 5 of class 5 mathematics book. I am Amresh Kumar from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Itanagar. Let's see what are the contents given in the Alternative Academic Calendar week 5. The learning outcomes means after completion of this activities you will be able to explore different ideas of angles and shape. You will also understand open and closed shapes. You can classify the angles into acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. However, we have already started the chapter and I have made you understand, even made a separate video on types of angle. So let's see. For completion of this activity, you will require matchsticks or toothpicks. Instead, you can use some straws or different types of small sticks even. First, observe the shapes and tell if the given shape is closed or open. As we have already discussed, you can easily identify these all shapes. The first one is triangle, which is closed because there is no any end and a starting point clearly identified. Similarly, these all three are closed shapes. What about these? Can you identify these shapes? Are these closed or open? You can easily see that the end point and the starting point are different. So, these all shapes are open. Isn't it? Now, how many sides do the shapes have? These shapes are given. First, you have to pause the video, find out how many sides are there, write your own, and then continue forward. I think you would have completed. Now, let's see. The first one has 4 sides, the second 6, and the third one 10 sides. The fourth I have left for you. You will write the answer in the comment box or in the WhatsApp group. Next, mark all the angles you can identify in these shapes. But be careful that you have to mark the angles only from inside. So there are two diagrams. In both of the shapes, you have to mark the angles first. In the first one, I have marked here, there are 4 angles and all have been marked. Second figure I have left for you. Mark your own and also write the answer in your notebook and send it. Otherwise, you can also comment in the comment box. Now, as we had already studied what are the different types of angle and how we can measure them and even how we can classify them. So, look carefully, pause here, and all the angles have been marked. You have to classify them as acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. Have you done? After completion, you can send it to me. The next is the activity. You will require matchsticks or even toothpicks. Make 8 triangles using 6 matchsticks only. You have to take only 6 matchsticks and make different types of triangles. 8 triangles you have to make. So think over it, how we can use 8 triangles. All of the 8 triangles should have been used. and you have to make different types of triangles with different number of matchsticks. The number of matchsticks must be 6 in each case. So try this